Hi, my name is Scott Auger, and I'm the founder and president of Omnis Information Works Incorporated. I should be considered the author for this software. Software was originally inspired because I am a board member of a theater organization, and we needed something to help keep track of members when memberships expire, when memberships are added, as well as advertising that people sponsor, and a few other things to help identify what's going on in the theater and who can be called to try and do what. So I basically hope that you enjoy this software, and one more thing is that it will be freely available for download. It's based on PHP and MySQL on a Linux and Apple OS application server. That's what I've been running it on, although I'm sure it'll work on Windows just fine. You can download the software, but if you want me to install it or anything like that, I'm gonna have to ask for some money. Otherwise, it's free for your use on your own machines. If you do want to use it on Omnis's machines, then, gotta have some money. So basically, I hope you find this useful, and we'll go from there. Thanks.